I want to talk to Liam Cunningham, the activist and actor, about the flotilla. Why is this an important mission in your view?
First of all, if you ask everybody involved, they don't want to be doing it. And it is a symbol of failure that a bunch of activists have to try and deliver humanitarian aid and try and break a medieval siege. Because what the flotilla is doing the work that's required under international law, which is intervene in a genocide.
And to remind people, this is about kind of getting things like baby formula to starving babies. That's what we're talking about, whatever your view of the politics.
It's not just that. There is medical equipment, there's antibiotics. Yeah. I remember when we left Sicily, there was a prosthetic baby's arm in one of the... So, I mean, this is what we're talking about. You can leave the politics, leave the religion, leave the geography aside. This is how we accept one group of people behaving towards another group of people.
The other news from your industry is this pledge to boycott Israeli film institutions. The group who are the film workers for Palestine. And you're talking about pretty high profile people, Emma Stone, Io Dabiri, so really A-list.
Olivia Colman, a lot of big hitters. When I signed on there was like 1,300. The last time I looked it's gone up to nearly 4,000 now. Last week the movie that in Venice won the second biggest prize, the Hind Rajab, they had 5 new executive producers on that film. Brad Pitt, Joaquin Phoenix, Rooney Mara, Alfonso Cuarón and Jonathan Glazer. There's some very big hitters who are getting on board with this, and it is seen now as a humanitarian disaster.